Welcome CNG 124 to Friday of the week 12. Get some discussions in, but make sure you look at my important information that I posted. Some of you are turning in homework that is considered cheating, so make sure you look at this, read this, click both links and go through that. Once again, final warning. I do address it in many videos, so I don't see a reason I need to even address it, even had to address it. For this weekend, make sure that you are getting the VLSM2 in, the transport layer in, and your two activities. Also, make sure that you are going to Cisco and doing Chapter 9 exam, and you can do any quiz in here. But the only exams open is Chapter 9. It's available till Sunday. It closes at 12:59, so make sure to do it. I wouldn't even wait. It closes Sunday at like noon, so make sure to do it before noon. It does not close at midnight. Make sure to do it before noon. Go into the modules, and you can do any quiz you want. As per the syllabus, going back 3, we need to do at least one quiz and one test on the NetAcad site, and that's part of our agreement with NetAcad Academy. The scores are pulled over. If you do not do them, they will count against you. So make sure you are doing them. Here we go right here. CNAP quizzes. The Network Academy program requires each student to complete one quiz and one assignment. No exceptions. Those scores are pulled over. If you don't do them, they will negatively impact your grade, so make sure you get them done. The grades are pulled over at the end as just complete or incomplete. So make sure you just get in there and do them. Any questions about that, you can feel free to email me. Once again, everyone seems to be doing just fine. The discussions coming in, I think there was 4 of you. 3 of you. So the discussions come in are great, but make sure you are practicing. Like when I finished Packet Tracer 19 grades, there were still some students not transferring their topology from the written topology to Packet Tracer. And the errors were very, very small from what I saw, and my feedback was, oh, well, this is off. You can avoid those by transferring your topology onto Packet Tracer to verify gateways, subnet masks, network addresses. All that troubleshooting can be done at a visual level, and then you can just hover over the device and it'll tell you all the information that the device has within it. So you can double check that just by doing a side-by-side comparison. And it's, trust me, it'll knock troubleshooting down to very, very minimal time instead of spending 20, maybe 30 minutes trying to figure out where your problem lies. But that's about it. Have a good weekend. Make sure to get that exam done before Sunday noon. And then I'll keep checking in over the weekend.